Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram link to Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Instagram application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you land on your home page, now navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, on your interface you will get three buttons as edit profile, share profile, and another one is discover friends. From that, tap on share profile button. You will land on this interface with your QR code, and under that you will get an option as copy link. So tap on copy link. That will copy your Instagram account link. Now what you have to do is open up the Twitter application on your device. So open up the Twitter application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, once you land on your home page, again navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the upper left corner. From this drop down menu, tap on profile. Now again tap on edit profile from your interface that you will find at the right hand side of this interface. Here under edit profile page, you will get an option as website. So you have to paste the link that you have recently copied under website text field. So simply paste your Instagram account link. After you're done with that, tap on save option from the upper right corner and your Instagram link will be added to your Twitter profile. And that's how you add Instagram link to Twitter. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.